Good morning. The next cell organelle is ribosomes. These ribosomes have only one function. They are responsible for the protein synthesis. They are present scattered also, freely also, and they are also present inside the chloroplast or inside the mitochondria. So the second organelle today is mitochondria. As you must be knowing, it is a powerhouse of a cell. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं वो हमारा ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, ब्रेकडाउन होता है. दैट इज इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर रेस्पिरेशन. और एनर्जी इज स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ATP, and ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Now the function is, it is a powerhouse of a cell. The structure is, it has two membranes. The outer one is continuous, but the inner one is deeply folded, and these folds are known as cristae. They increase the surface area for energy production. It has its own DNA and it has its own ribosomes. Isko we'll call it a semi-autonomous body. That is, it can make its own proteins and it has its own DNA, so it can also reproduce on its own. The third organelle is a plastid. Plastid are of three types. They are chloroplasts, which are green in color, the leucoplasts, which are colorless, and the chromoplasts, which are colored plastids. The chloroplast contains green pigment called chlorophyll, which is responsible for photosynthesis. Now the structure is, it has two membranes. The outer one is also continuous and the inner one is also continuous, and the inner space is known as stroma. It has certain small vesicles which contains chloroplast. A group of these vesicles, see, the one vesicle is known as the thylakoid and the whole group is known as grana. It's also a semi-autonomous body, means it has its own DNA and ribosomes. And next organelle is a Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is like a courier service. जो चीज़ें ER ने बनाई वो Golgi apparatus को दे देता है. Golgi apparatus उसको स्टोर भी करता है, पैक भी करता है, मॉडिफाई भी करता है, and takes it inside the cell, transport it inside the cell and even outside the cell. And according to the structure, in the structure you can see certain membrane bound vesicles which are arranged parallel to each other. See, these are parallel to each other. These 1, 2, 3, 4. They are known as cisterns. And the most important function is, it forms a organelle which is known as lysosomes. Lysosomes generally come in the exams because it is known as a digestive bag also and a suicidal bag. Lysosome, why are they known as digestive bags? Because they contain certain enzymes, a powerful digestive enzyme which can break down all the organic material. And the most important is why it is known as suicidal bag, because whenever there is a disturbance in the cellular metabolism, disturbance means जैसे सेल डैमेज हो जाए या सेल में कोई बैक्टीरिया, कोई वायरस अंदर आ जाए, तो लाइसोसोम्स लाइक अ सोल्जर्स ये बर्स्ट कर जाते हैं. इनके अंदर से एक एंजाइम निकलता है एंड डाइजेस्ट द होल सेल. जैसे एक बैलून है, बैलून फिल विद वाटर, वो जैसे बर्स्ट करा, हर जगह वाटर स्प्लैश होगा तो ये बर्स्ट कर जाएंगे. अंदर से जो भी एंजाइम निकलेगा वो पूरे सेल को ही डाइजेस्ट कर जाएगा अगर इन्फेक्शन को उसने प्रिवेंट करना. देयरफॉर दे आर नोन एज सुसाइडल बैग्स ऑफ अ सेल.